here I am with part 2 of the street art in Dordrecht. I really enjoyed that day. It was lovely. The weather was a tad warm for someone like me who thinks 22, 24 degrees absolute max. But apart from that, you know, it was lovely, and I walked through areas of town I'd never seen before. Now the first part was more the outskirts of town, a bit of the office area and the railway and stuff, but now I'm coming back into the centre part of town. Yes, they've got some beautiful, beautiful architecture and lovely old buildings. But anyway, part 2, lots more to see. There were 17 artworks altogether, and yeah, it took a fair bit of walking, but nothing wrong with that. So I'll be scrolling down the list of photos and having a look to see what I'll feed you now. So here goes, and it's terrible weather outside, raining, well, cats and dogs, but so it's good weather to be editing, and I'll try and get this finished today with a bit of luck. Okay, enjoy watching. Yes, all hot and bothered, and I need a drink. But just when I thought it's not where it's supposed to be, I came round the corner and behold, it reminds me a bit of Asher, this one, with all the angles. Over the bridge and turn left. Oh, so cute. Again, another lovely part of town. I was way over there around the corner before, where that big rail bridge was. And I'm now up to number 10 or 11, lost count. There are 17 street art, so I'm almost there. I'm dying for a cold beer. So here I go. And right up there, it's 5 to 2. Oh, I haven't had lunch yet. Turning left. After this one, I am going to stop for a minute and have something to eat and drink, and I'll do the rest after lunch. Well, on my way to lunch, I came across this one. It's a 3-headed elephant. It's in a lovely spot. You just have a few steps here. And of course, Dordrecht is like the Venice in the Netherlands. Well, I'm not going all the way down. So there we go.
Eet smakelijk.
And then another surprise as I look right, and there is this beautiful, beautiful robin. And this is a little cute extra. Amazing renovations going on up there. How cool. Not very wide, but they're very tall, so they must have lots of space. Well, this is the only one that didn't have directions how to get here, but I knew where the place was. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't blame the person for putting their bike there, but I do think it's a pity that the council put their gates up there. But never mind. This is it. The famous painting from Dordrecht. It is Sunday and yesterday when I started on the video I had a good resolve to get it finished, but I'm almost done and the only thing I have to do now is the music. I've got to measure it, I've got to make sure that the volume is right and do try and keep the volume of the narrative and the music the same, or you know, equalize them anyway. So that's my next job. But apart from that, I'm done. And it was actually lovely to revisit all those little spots again, although this time from my armchair and not with my feet, because it was quite a walk. On the description, it actually says 6k, but I think it's a bit more, but that's okay. Because you don't just walk, like 6k is not a problem, but it's because you stop here and you stop there and you have a good look and you have a read and people talk to you on the way. So yeah, no, that's good. It was a lovely day. It was perfect. So I hope that you get a bit of an idea of what the city of Dordrecht looks like. And it's a really pleasant place to be. I'm still finding my way. I still get a bit lost. But that's all right too, because I discover new bits of town. So, right, the music, and enjoy. And I'll see you back for more adventures another time. Bye for now.